Today I am reviewing the MSI Radix AXE6600 Wi-Fi 6 E-Tri-Band gaming router. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MSI Radix AXE6600 Wi-Fi 6 E-Tri-Band gaming router is designed to deliver ultra-fast, stable, and intelligent Wi-Fi for gamers, streamers, and households with multiple devices. In today's world, where everyone is working, gaming, and streaming online simultaneously, a router like this isn't just convenient. It's essential. MSI has combined cutting-edge hardware, advanced software, and gamer-focused features to create a router that goes well beyond the standard Wi-Fi experience. Starting with the fundamentals, this router supports tri-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and the latest 6 GHz Wi-Fi 6E standard. This means you're not just getting faster speeds, but also less congestion and better device management. The 8-stream architecture allows multiple devices to operate simultaneously on all three bands, delivering up to 6.6 gigabits per second of combined speed. That's enough bandwidth to stream 4K video, play competitive online games, or run multiple smart devices at the same time without slowdown. At the heart of the MSI Radix AXE6600 is a 1.8 GHz quad-core processor, which ensures that all your data packets are handled quickly and efficiently. This translates into a smoother, lag-free connection even when your network is under heavy load. Paired with MU-MIMO technology, the router can communicate with multiple devices simultaneously rather than sequentially, significantly reducing wait times and network congestion. For gamers, MSI has added AI QoS, quality of service. This feature automatically prioritizes network traffic for gaming, streaming, or other high-priority applications. So when you're in the middle of a competitive online match, the router intelligently ensures that your game data has the highest priority, minimizing lag and providing an uninterrupted gaming experience. This game accelerator functionality is a huge advantage for anyone serious about competitive gaming. Aesthetics and customization aren't left out either. The Radix AXE6600 features Mystic Light RGB lighting, which can sync with other Mystic Light-compatible devices to create a fully immersive gaming environment. While it may seem like a cosmetic feature, having a customizable, synchronized gaming setup adds to the overall experience for enthusiasts who want a visually cohesive setup. Another advantage of the MSI Radix AXE6600 is its long-range coverage. Thanks to its tri-band setup, high-gain antennas, and powerful processor, it can handle larger homes or gaming spaces without losing signal strength. Dead zones and slow spots are significantly reduced, which means you can enjoy high-speed internet in every corner of your home. Setup is straightforward, with an intuitive app and web interface that makes it easy to configure the network, set parental controls, monitor device usage, and enable advanced features. Whether you're a casual user or a network-savvy gamer, the Radix AXE6600 makes it easy to get the most out of your Wi-Fi connection. In real-world use, this router delivers exactly what it promises. Online gaming sessions feel responsive, streaming 4K content is smooth, and multiple devices can coexist without noticeable slowdowns. The combination of tri-band Wi-Fi 6E, AI QoS, MU-MIMO, and a high-speed quad-core processor makes it a complete solution for both performance and reliability. To sum it up, the MSI Radix AXE6600 Wi-Fi 6 E-Tri-Band gaming router is more than just a router. It's a high-performance networking hub built for modern gamers and households. It offers incredible speeds, reliable connections, intelligent traffic management, and a touch of customizable RGB flair. If you want a gaming router that keeps your gameplay smooth, your streams uninterrupted, and your smart devices connected, the Radix AXE6600 is one of the best options available in 2026.